Our Black Friday sale is now available on the website for the remainder of the month. This will apply on the ebook, course and mentorship plans. Private message me on Twitter, links down below for more information, or head straight to the website. Welcome back, Inj Gang. What we were saying in our last update is that we need to hold this support. Otherwise, we're going to validate a correction. And remember, if we zoom out to the 5-day, if you remember this inverse head and shoulders here, where we were suggesting a target of about the $82, $83 mark, and how we're anticipating Injective to actually surpass a $200 bull market target. We were actually saying in that same video that if we correct below the 786 fib, $13.81, that it would be totally fine to come all the way back down to the golden pocket. It's not something that I think would happen, because there are other key levels of support above this point that could just keep us in this uptrend for continuation higher. But it would be totally fine in coming down to there, as we'd still be above the 200 EMA, which is essentially suggesting this longer term trend, which is of course bullish, as we are currently holding this as support in the past, and after holding as support we put in new highs above this point. So a higher low, the lowest point of this higher low needs to be above this point, so it could technically be down there, but as you can see the 200 EMA is slightly above that point. I think if we did start to correct, this would become in line with this golden pocket, the 618 and the 65, between $8 and $9. So yes, this could be a large dip, of course, but I'm not saying that it's going to happen, just that it would be totally fine if it does so, as long as it holds. So let's just say it does something like this, comes back down, but as long as it holds, we're looking for that continuation high. So it doesn't need to happen, but it's fine if it does, as long as this area holds a support, and we've got moving averages and golden pockets in the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders, suggesting that this is a key level of support going forward in order to keep these higher up targets all valid. Now, if we scale back down to the daily time frame, we can see that we're now, after losing the 20, which is a suggestion that we're looking for a dump into the 55. What now needs to happen to go ahead and invalidate this target is a reclaim of the 20 daily moving average. Now we're coming up into it. We are actually at it right now, and this is the price. Let me get you the exact price, guys. $15.46 is the area that we need to see a daily candle close above in order to give a higher probability chance of this continuation higher. I'm going to now get you some targets to the upside, and this is only possible as long as this maintains as our low, and we are actually looking to reclaim the 20 and break out, because it's not only the 20 that stands in our way. As we can see, we were holding this as support and starting to find some resistances of the body candle closes over here. In turn, I've placed my Fibonacci's, and we can see that the golden pocket aligns with those previous body candle close resistances over here. So the level of $17.20 is a level that we need to see being broken in order to create the reversal wave. So something like this, where we hold the 20 and break through the golden pocket in order to for continuation back up to our previous all-time high. And we had confluence for this move to the upside anyway. This is what we were suggesting in the last update, as long as this 786 fib actually does hold. Again, this was meant to be some sort of resistance where we come back down to this golden pocket, which is that $8 to the $9 location, which I was suggesting early in the video. But as we push through the 786, as long as this can now hold a support, which is this marked out box area, lowest point being $13.81, then we are just looking for continuation to the next fib above us. Just as we broke through the golden pocket here, we're going to this fib, and now as we broke through this 786 fib and are looking for support, now reclaim the 20 and the golden pocket for continuation to this $27 previous all-time high. And that was all just by looking at these two levels over here. But now as we place these new shorter term fibs off of this 11th of November high over here to our potential bottom yesterday, again guys, this will only be valid if this is our bottom. So that's why in today's daily candle, when it closes, so coming back in tomorrow's video, I'll make another update to see if we have reclaimed the 20 in order to invalidate downside, a potential correction lower, because by losing the 786 as well as the 55, we're looking to put in a correction back down to the golden pocket But if that continues to hold, if we now reclaim the 20 and the golden pocket, we can see with our new sets of fibs, eventually we should continue to these targets over here, which is in alignment and acting as confluence with our previous all-time high. And we should be going up into that all-time high anyway, as we've broken the 786 fib. As long as it holds a support, we're meant to continue to that target. Now we've placed this new shorter term fibs. It's a suggestion that we need to reclaim the 20, the golden pocket, and eventually target the $25 to $29 area, taking us back to the all-time high. So a nice set of confluence over here. Hopefully you found value in this video. Hopefully you're prepared with what's to come going forward. Of course, if we lose this support, it looks like a correction back down to the golden pocket, but I'll give you even more specific levels that we could find bounces off of if we do go ahead and fail to reclaim the 20 daily today and actually put in this correction back down to the 55. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for helping me achieve 7,000 subscribers. I definitely believe that we could get to 7.5k before the end of this year, so help me achieve that goal. Maybe next year we hit 10k. That would be great. I've also got a Black Friday discount at the moment on my course, ebook, mentorship plan. So if you want to take action, follow me on Twitter anyway. Links are down below, or head straight over to the website. Our Black Friday sale is now available on the website for the remainder of the month. This will apply on the ebook, course, and mentorship plans. Private message me on Twitter, links down below for more information, or head straight to the website. Cheers, everyone.